I'm showing my face on camera. All right, first off, I'm gonna have to read a disclaimer. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, therefore I do not provide any financial or investment advice. You are fully responsible for all investments and decisions made with money. Please consult your CPA or financial advisors for professional advice. All posts are my opinion and they should not be taken as financial advice. All right. So we got that out of the way. I'll be repeating that every once in a while so you guys won't forget. All right, so I'm gonna be doing nightly watch lists every Sunday. Right now it's 6:25 p.m. Pacific time. So I'll try to do them regularly every Sunday at 6 or 7 p.m. Right now my schedule's a little bit tight or sporadically, because school and homework. Right now I'm gonna do only for maybe 30, maybe an hour. I'm gonna try to do it an hour, but we'll see. All right. So right here I'm looking at SPY. I'm gonna have to look at the futures real quick. Futures CNN, that's where I look at how they open. CNN futures, either or Google it. Oh, sorry, hiccups. CNN. There you go. Let's see. So futures hasn't opened yet. All right. So for now, I'll be looking at plug. Clicked on here. All right. Make the MACD a little smaller. Oof. All right. So here you can see plug bounced off of here. Past support. Had a pretty strong bounce right there. And this looks like a bullish pin bar. So I believe this can go up coming Monday and Tuesday. I'll be looking at this ticker tomorrow for a day trade. So this one has a potential, let's see, day trade for tomorrow. Let's see. Looking at trend line, horizontal line. Okay. See a potential bounce in this area. Let's see what number is that? 5420. If it goes over that, it can go up to possibly 1699. What did I say? So 58.20 to 60. $60. Maybe a little earlier. Just take profit as it goes up. I'll be looking at this ticker. This is the 1 hour actually. All right, look at it at the 15-minute mark. Yeah, this has to pass actually 57.85. It can go up to this area, these two. There's profit take 58.24, 58.82. Those are two profit take areas. So you might want to take a look at that. for tomorrow. And for the downside, this breaks, to be safe, which I don't think it will. 50.03 can go down all the way to 48.63 in that area. Obviously, take profit on the way down, but I don't think it'll go down that much. That's more of an upside, in my opinion. Let's see, Riot, everybody's favorite right now. It's a hot stock right now, especially with this crypto bandwagon. Supposedly, I've been reading upon it that it can potentially reach 500,000, and then it can maybe crash, but nobody knows. you know, I don't know, but potentially that's this maximum um, hit before it crashes down a little bit. But in the next 10 years or so, supposedly it's going to hit $1 million or something like that. Maybe wrong, but we'll see. All right, back to Riot. Riot has a potential break right here at 74.32. So remember in my past video you've been watching, usually when I say potential bounce at this exact price, get in maybe 10 cents after. And then it could break, yeah, 10 cents after. So if it breaks, it can hit up to here for a first profit take in this area, 75.90, 76.58. But obviously, depending on how it opens, this goes up, and goes over this. Um, don't get in, it's already too late. But if it does hit this part and it breaks this, it can break. But to be safer, I was gonna point it with my finger. um, see this wick right here? To be safer, if it breaks this right here, 78.61, it can hit 70 $80, and then it has to break potentially 83.45 for the next bounce. But yeah, that could be the next break, but you have to be careful in your positions. But for downside, if this breaks this right here, 68.13, for put, first profit take will be around this area, 66.10. All right, I'm gonna have to take notes for this and put it in my, because I'm doing this all live. I haven't prepared for this yet, but this was just that I had an idea of in my head. Let's see, looking in my drawer. God damn it, I lost my post-it notes, or maybe I don't know. Hold on. There it is. Right. All right. First profit take. I'm gonna have to handwrite it and then put it in my Discord if you guys want to check that out. I'm still putting it all together. For now, it's free. I might keep it free for the first 500 people, and then afterwards, I'll be charging per month. I'm not sure yet. I have to decide on that, but yeah. All right. So my watch list for tonight: Riot, potential break at 74.21 for a call. You can be options or just buy the share. Potential break right here. Remember, there's potential break. Not saying it will break, but potential break 68.01 for put or shorting it. All right, and then for here, if you want to get in again, So essentially, these are the first profit take right here. 76.35 will be the first profit take. I'll be posting this notes on Discord later. Profit take 2. Then leave some runners as well. Leave runners. All right, and now for the put side, as I said, put 68.01. And remember when I say that, make sure you're getting a few cents below that. So like, say 67.90, for example. And then first profit take will be I'll be here, that area, 65.98. Profit take 1. Then the next one be, honestly, it's one. Honestly, if it breaks this, especially this one right here, you can go down all the way down here, but I don't. It's possible with this stock, especially since it's so volatile right now. And obviously, all these profit takes are potential, not they're not gonna actually hit, But that's right. Excuse me. I just ate dinner not too long ago. All right, back. I'll do I'll do plugging in later on after the video. So I already went over that. And you guys want to play a bigger stock like Netflix, um, for a day trade tomorrow? Obviously, this can change in pre-market, but pre-market tomorrow, I'll be updating those possibly. Well, I have to wake up early first, but I'll update them in the morning. So here, first break will be this area. All right, first break right here. Netflix put 538.92. And then next potential break will be, so you can either get in 538.92 or for a safer put 438.41. I'm probably gonna post in my Discord 538.41 for the break in my Discord for a safer play. Because right here is still a little iffy, it has to go down. So I'm just gonna put 538.41, and then it could run down kind of a lot, honestly. All right, and for a call, I'll be putting this, honestly, for a call, it's gonna be a little tough. All right, for the day trade, you see right here, on the 18th. Let's just go with this right here. For now, usually, this is a little tough to say, but for now, before pre-market can change. So let's say your pre-market's right here, and then you still have a run-up right here for the first one. That'll be the first resistance right here. And then for the second one, will be somewhere down here for another resistance for it to break. And then after that, the next profit take will be here and there. You can see in the history of the 5-minute, 15-minute chart. This can be potential break resistance. Well, we can also see on the 5-minute chart. Hold on. Okay, I guess in the 5-minute chart is a little better for Netflix. Netflix 5-minute chart. Uh, let's do a call. No, yeah, still a little bit iffy here. There's a lot of resistance right here. We can do a small little play right here around 51, 541.80. Call it 541.80. And then first profit tick will be 543.02. And then if it does run up, it can break up. This could be another potential um, resistance. Then if it does break that, it can go up pretty high. So leave runners if it does break that area, or you can always get in again if it does break right here. Second entry 544.53. Right. Yeah, for Netflix only put one profit take and then leave runners because that can run down kind of a lot. Obviously, this is just my opinion, guys. So please do your own DDs. Due diligence, please. All right. So for Microsoft, I think these option calls are pretty cheap. Fairly cheap. Let's see. Sorry, guys. I got a quick text for homework. There's a classmate where I was supposed to help. I didn't. I'm not even there. All right. Right now, there's nobody in here, so that's all right. All right. Depending on how this opens, if this goes up, then it opens right here, or if this goes down and then goes up throughout the day, make sure it's gonna be a pretty good call right here. First profit take will be kind of in this area. It's a small move, but yeah. Then here will be another good entry. This can break kind of high on the bullish side. Write that down for tomorrow. I'll type it in my Discord after I'm done with the homework. It could be in midnight, and then I'll be there in the morning for you guys when you wake up. Okay, Microsoft. Entry, call entry 241, 74, put profit take 1, 242.08. I mean, 5. And then next profit take or if you want to wait for the entry of 242, I'll be awesome. That'll be good as well. 242.60. That's the bigger break if you want to wait for that one. Because pretty much if you get in at 241.74 around that area, yeah, you pretty much have to take profits pretty quick. Then for the put side, yeah, just a little more. Obviously, you guys, you can do your own. This is just my opinions, so you can do your own analysis. Later on, so right here can be a good potential entry for a small break. Right here for puts to 40.19. Profit take to 40, 19. Then runners can go down. Um, runners, yeah, there's there could be run a lot of downside, but let me see the next ones. Yeah, it could possibly go down to here or here, one of those two. So 240.27 or 240.12 in that area. Momo, that was a good play. I got in a while ago. Let's see. I like playing swing plays much better than anything else. I'm not sure when I got in, but I think I got in here. I had a 2 month call for the longest time. I was so worried. So I got in here in this area. And yeah, you see my 2 month call hit. That's my swings. I like playing 3 months out or more swings when they're really low on the RSI. Well, Mom, let me see for a day trade. Sorry, I'm not doing this really quickly. I'm using the laptop's mouse or touch pad. All right. This one doesn't have a lot of volatility, so maybe not. Let's keep looking. Ooh, Neo. I know everybody likes Neo. And you see the volatility is kind of choppy here. So be careful. If I were to play this one on Monday or on Friday, I would have gotten, you see, like, not every call. I would have put a, in the morning. Actually, here, if it did this, probably get in here, get out here in this area. But I didn't play this because I know it usually wicks, this stock wicks up pretty choppy. Or very volatile in the mornings in when it first opens. So you see how this ran down on Friday. It's kind of spontaneously. All right. But remember, just keep this. Those are your own my opinion. So do your own due diligence. But yeah, right here, I would have put a break around this area. But you see, if I do them on Sundays and it opens up like that, that's a pretty. I would have missed my call option here. And then in the morning pre-market, I would have possibly most likely done this right here. Got in potential call 5581. And then if I saw this wick going down, I would have taken profits. Because then that's pretty dangerous, especially on the second candle. You can see it opened here and it went down. So yeah, two chances on getting out. Then for the put side, I would have put something down here. Yeah, down here or down here. But yeah, this usually I don't like looking. You for my trading pattern, I usually try using my trend lines early morning, the first 2-3 hours for a day trade. Past that, as you can see, is a little bit more iffy. And sometimes they'll still work throughout the day, but you'll want to update them. But yeah, so right here, you see like the first 2 hours. Well, 9:30 my on Eastern time. My time is 6:30 when I have to wake up at 5 or 6. I like waking up at 6 a little late, I suggest waking up a little earlier if you're in the Pacific time. Um, yeah, well, if the Eastern time, you might want to wake up like at 7 p.m. And give yourself time to do some trend lines for other pre-market patterns. Yeah. So for me, see how this would have changed. I would have done a call right here up above that, but you see or down here. As you can see how it opened pre-market, it's crazy, crazy, crazy. That went down sporadically. Um, Damn it, I'm having trouble with the buttons. Oh, touchpad. But here, um, I would have put a call for right here in pre-market. See if you wake up early. It's the benefits of making sure you do your trend lines right here. I would have done a resistance line. Would have gotten in. That's a little high. A little lower. Let's see. Okay, there you go. So I've done it right there in that area, and I would have gotten in, possibly gotten out in this area. This is more in the macro level. That line is more in the macro level. More the same macro is more like the daily ticker or the 4 hour time frame. So yeah, I would have taken profits around this area. Um, Probably I would have left a little bit of runners, but as the next candle would open here and then went down, I would have probably gotten out most likely in this area. And then stay out. Don't chase for the this candle and be like, oh, it's gonna go back up. So don't chase. Uh, then here I would have also done another trend line for the put side. You see, it did went down for a runner. It would have uh, gone down a lot. That could have been a big run on the put side. So usually when I do these pre-market trend lines or break-in resistant lines, support and resistant lines, I usually like playing them in the first 2 hours for my day trading. They usually hit. Sometimes when they're a little choppy, it'll be like these right here, as they're a little dangerous. So not always, if it's a little choppy, I would have probably stayed out of this, most likely. Yeah, I think I would have stayed out of this one. And then if it actually broke a resistance or a support line, like right here, still, I probably would have done a bounce because it also hit the Bollinger Band right here. I would have taken maybe two for a safer play, and then gotten out right here on this Bollinger middle line of it. And yeah, as you can see it, there's little patterns, but that's if you want to play it throughout the day. And then right here, if it broke, definitely would have taken a put right here. But remember, I usually like playing mine in the first 2 hours. If nothing really happens, is choppy like this, don't get in or try not to play. But obviously, that's every stock is different. So now we here for today. I went off on a little bit of a tangent. My bad. Um, okay, so here for the day trade. Um, so remember, this one's possibly a macro level line. So for the day trade, it had to break this area here, 55.29 for Neo. As I go on, I'll be teaching a little bit on why I take my positions. So yeah, I'll probably give you a little bit of tips on how to trade as well as I talk. Obviously, everything is not 100%. Then first profit take for that call will be 55.44. And then the next one will be around 55.57. And then maybe some runners up to 55.76. Maybe that's not a runner. That'll be profit take 3, 55.56 if you want. But obviously, I think profit take 3 or 2 will be a little bit more like a miracle. All right, so right here. God damn it. For the put side, I believe right here will be a good put. A better position for a put 55.50. 55.50 all the way down in this area 54.27. And then the next one will be right here is a little tricky. I'm not gonna say another profit take, but if you want to re-entry, make sure it breaks for sure 54.10. Second entry 54.10. All right, so the next stock plug. What is QuantumScape? Hmm. This one may be a little volatile for opening on Monday. Right, next one. Remember, if you see my live stream, next time you join, yes, ask me which stocks you want me to take a look at, and I'll do my owner analysis and see what positions I will look at to get in and out. And then on Monday, you guys check out my Discord. I'll be posting in my entries for some of the positions I talked about. For now, I'm only looking at Netflix, Plug, Neo, and Microsoft. All right. Silver, no, I'm not trading that. Space. This one's a little tricky one. Okay. Obviously, this depending on how this opens pre-market. No, I'm not doing this one, but I'm doing this one for sure for a put space. If this goes down below 53, I take a put entry there. This can run down. Profit take around. Sorry, what did I say? 55, 53, and then first profit take that I take is around this area, 50.30. And then the next one's around this area right here. So let's say 49.77, or obviously take profits as you see fit. Part 2, 49.77. That will be the next one for a call, a safer call. It's around this area, 51.74, profit take 1. This general area, 51.97. And profit take 2. This area, leave runners. Right now, spy. No, square. T-Mobile, let's see. AT&T, not T-Mobile. All right, so I'm looking at this one for a potential swing the next few days, but we'll see. For now, I see this going down for the next few days unless it has another breakdown like this. Sound effect. All right, so T-Mobile, AT&T. My bad. AT&T. Nobody go after me because I said T-Mobile twice. All right, so this opens tomorrow below 28.98. This will be a cheaper option if you guys do get in. But I'll be taking a look into this one for a day trade actually. Hmm. Profit take one. Honestly, let's see how back I have to go. I'm already at 2 days back now. Okay. Okay, I forgot what I was looking at. Okay, 28.98. So maybe this area right here, 28.89. Then runners obviously take profit as you go as you see fit. But this one can run. I'll be looking into this one actually tomorrow. You see right here, I would have possibly gotten in somewhere in. Obviously, when I see this, I'll get in somewhere down here. That would have been a pretty good run, and then sold as I saw it going back up. And this here's also the macro. That's not a macro level. Purple for me, it's day trade levels. Um, yeah, I would have probably taken profit around this area, anyways. Sometimes a macro level can be micro can be pretty good indicator that it's getting close to take profit, but then also hit that the Bollinger Band a few times. So somewhere in this area would have probably taken area profit. Then yeah, this I would have. If, I mean, I usually try only trading the first 3 hours, but you see right here, if you keep looking at it, you do another trend line right here. You can possibly take another put position right here, play it nicely here, as you saw these two candles trying to not well, it wasn't breaking support, so you could have taken position somewhere in this area, especially in this candle. Would have probably gotten back in green and then get out, because if you see a pretty good wick on the bottom, that means it's a good indicator that it can do a reverse, which it did. But you could have also waited here and see like, oh, let me just do a YOLO, I'm like, and then do it, F it, and waited. It could have also done down here, but obviously you never know. But right here would have been another good resistance potential one. Yeah, that's a good run. I probably wouldn't have gotten in because I would have probably moved on to the next or stopped trading, because I usually stop trading in this first few 2 to 3 hours. Mm. Then again, that's the first few 30 minutes. Okay, never mind. T-Mobile trip. Tesla. Okay, Tesla. Everybody likes trading Tesla as well. You make and lose a lot of money on Tesla. Let me tell you, I lost $1 million this one time. I wish I had $1 million to even lose, but I don't. It's right here for now. Right here and here. Hmm. All right. So there's a few levels that I like better. Uh, tomorrow, right here could be a good entry for a small little profit take in this area. But if you really want to play the big runner, it'll be around this area. So in my Discord chat, because I'd rather have you guys play a safer, high profits, uh, high profit play, I'd say 785.13. It could be a big runner up to profit take right here in this area, 76.86, 10. Then another one potentially up here, 77, no, 787. 07. Then right here will be another profit take in this two general area right here. This two will be somewhere, But if it does break another one here, it can. Yeah, there's a little bit of support right here. As you can see, a lot of candles are touching. If you do a trend line, I'll be touching here. So somewhere right there will be the next support after that one. I didn't do the trend lines in there, but you heard me verbally. So if you saw my video, then you can also do that. Type it and write it down yourself. All right. So for put side, which I don't think it'll go down. Maybe just a little bit. We'll see how futures open. I'm not sure when they'll open. A few hours from now, for sure though. Put side below 77,750. It can go down a lot. So that's a big profit run down to the downside. First profit take. I have to go back a few candles, a few days. First profit take. Mm, yeah, maybe 70. I'll do 77, 76. Fifth, 83, 84. And this can run down a lot. It's a big run right here. 77, 3, 76. Profit take. All right. And also, I'm right now. I'm gonna swing with Tesla. I hope it goes up, but you see, it's touching way too many support lines. That well, most of them are the support lines of the day trade. So, but it still has a lot of support lines in that area. So, if this breaks, this can go down up to 763, and then after that, you can see it fall. But I don't think so. I think it can go up. So I've been in here. I've just down here. I'm still down, but we'll see. Wish me luck, guys. If you enter now, you can, but I suggest this high risk, obviously. Please do your own due diligence, but that's just me. It can go up, but we'll see. I'll be I'll be happy if it does hit. Twitter, I have nothing to say on that one. Walmart, I think on my last video I did say I got in a few calls for this one for a whole year out. Maybe I got one or two, but if it goes down, I'll be waiting the next few days and then get in with more. If not, I'm happy with what I'm in right now, and then I'll explode. I hope it does. I get that big gap to fill. Zoom. Let's take a look at Zoom. This is a little more. I'm not gonna play this one, but it's too expensive for me at the moment for the premiums. All right, I'm just gonna do this trend line right here real quick. Yeah. Let me tell a little story. All right, so I'm also a realtor, right? I was hosting this open house in Long Beach, and so there's this guy that came in, older guy, right? He says to me, well, we were talking for a little bit, like about, I was telling him about the information about the house, that kind of stuff, where how many square footages, how many rooms, and what's the price at? Will they be willing to, make the price go lower? I told him the information, which I'm not going to disclose. But he asked me later on in the conversation, we kind of just talked he asked me, "Do you day trade or are in the stock market?" I'm like, "Yeah." That was I was back in like 20, I want to say 18. Yeah, back in 2018, I didn't know anything about trading, right? Um, but I was in the stock market for a while, for like a year, but I didn't care. That was me back then. Not care. I didn't know anything about trading, so I pretended I knew how to trade. So he's like, so what time frame do you trade at? You know what I answered? I answered Pacific time. If I was him, I would have lost it. Now looking back at that, I just laugh at that. I'm like, oh my god, what an idiot! I did not know what the heck I was talking about. He's like, all right, I'm a. What's your email? I'll send you some information. Okay. You need to do some studying on how to read candles and all this stuff. And I'm like, okay. And then later on, I find out a few months, maybe not a few months, a few weeks after, one or two, I figured out. I'm like, oh my god, I feel like an idiot, a total idiot. He probably thought I was the stupidest or dumbest guy alive at that moment. I was just my answer. That was hilarious. Now looking back at that, I'm like, oh my god, I embarrassed myself. And then I obviously I got red, even though I wasn't in front of him anymore. But I got red once I found out what he actually meant by ticker symbol. That was a pretty funny story I had to tell. All right, so please, guys, do your own due diligence study, like I did. I had for sure now. Oh my god, wait, 2019, 20, 3 something years of experience. So 3 plus experience of trading. Before that, I was in the stock market for 4 years, but I am a long-term account. I didn't trade until a while after. I'm like, I should take a look at it. All right, so back to Tesla or Zoom. Sorry, Zoom. Mhm. All right, so right here, be a good put in this area. 415, 50 for a put. I'm not gonna look into Zoom too much, but that could be a good put area. Profit take right here, 415.35. Obviously, a smaller play, but for the big one, you want to entry this second or first entry if you depending where you get in. Right here, 414.50, and then right here, first profit take 415.40. Never mind. Let's go for 14.40, and then that can actually break a lot. Not sure how much, but take profits as it goes down. All right, guys. I think I skipped over these over here. I was only going beyond here for an hour or so, wasn't it? Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. So far, I did 9 tickers. Let me look at a few more. Two more. I'm not trading Apple. AMC, I'm not sure. It's getting a lot of hype recently again. But if you want to hold it for long term, I don't see the harm in it. It's fairly cheap, and obviously people like going to AMC, watching movies. So be a good long term hold. So stock for weed, Mariki one. All right, BA. It's hard to say for a day trade. Let's see, macro level. Yeah, this one's hard to say for a day trade. Let's go for the next one. All right, this one can have. This has to break this area right here for a small call for here. I mean, nah, that'd be a pretty bad call. Oh. No, never mind. I'm gonna stay quiet on this one. For this one, if this breaks right here, this can go down 262, 291. BB, Blackberry, BK. Let's see for a day. Tomorrow I'll be looking into getting in. As you can see, the 200 EMA, it's starting to cross soon. So if this goes down a little bit more, definitely going in heavy for 2 to 3 months out for a good swing, because it also has to fill this area. Let's see. Can't find it. I need to find the tool. There you go. No. Whatever. Ooh, I'm getting over it. Getting over it. Oh, there you go. Rectangle. It's right here. You can see. Pretty good. Fail. But for a safer entry, maybe not safer entry, for day trade later in the future, hopefully it does not open up here because then I'll be like too late. But never mind that. Never mind. Maybe when it comes to that, I'll come back to it. But right now, this will be, in my opinion, a good swing for 2 to 3 months out. I usually like doing 3+. Let me see for a day trade. This I'm not sure how the premiums are for this one because I did mine for a few months out, so it wasn't too pricey though. I think it was fairly cheap for that long. Put below BK. This is for the smaller accounts for a day trade. BK 42, 32. First profit take will be this area. 42.16. Small little play, but for the bigger entry or second entry, if it breaks that, oof, I could run down. Not sure how much, but obviously take profit take as it goes down. For the upside, right here, 42.59 for this profit take will be this area. Profit take for 66, 42.66. And then this breaks this right here. Oh, this is another profit take, 76, 42.76. Then especially if it breaks this right here, it could run up. And if you followed me or see my past history on my Instagram, I posted a single doku when it ran and hit my first, really near my profit, my first profit or my profit take for the swing that I was gonna do, but that I did. But damn, that ran up a lot. All right, profit take 3. All right. Clorox. I don't like trading this one for day trades. CRM. Right, this one can be potential good swing trade, but obviously nothing's promised. But for a day trade, the big move, I want to see this area right here. That's the bigger move for potential profit take here and then there. Do you guys want to wait for that? Then for the put side, be a good move here to there, then to here. But the bigger move will be this one right here, 246.04 will be the better move for a put side. I think that's it. That's all I'm gonna do for today. So let me, or yeah. So please comment, subscribe, like, smash the like button for me, and share with your friends if you guys like my stuff. That'll help me out, and also go to my Discord. You want to check that out? I have a lot of. I'm still figuring out things, but I put some bots in there. I put Elon Musk tweets in there. Um, I'll be adding in more tweets as for news as well. I'm deciding between Bloomberg and I forgot the other one that I like to use, but I think I can only have two more, and then after that I have to pay. So that's why I'm doing the first 500 for free, and then later on I'm up to upcharge people just in case, just to add more things into the Discord chat for everybody to use. It's not that I want to either, but it'll help out everybody. Benefit you, benefit me, encourage me as well in the future to do my work. 246.04 will be a good run down. Profit tick will be on your own disclosure or do your own take profits when you see fit, essentially, for CRM. Fit. All right. You, I see a little small call right here, but I don't like entering and then selling right away. So for me, I'll probably wait here and then get out in this area for small play for. But for the bigger plays, I'll for sure look at this level right here, 247.39 for the call. And then obviously 246.37 for the put. No, sorry, 246.01. 01. Sorry, I was looking at the yellow line. All right. And then first profit tick will be this general area, 248. Oh, 03 for Serum. What other? D-Dog. Right now I'm swinging this one. I got in right here. One of these two. I forgot where, but I need to average down because swinging this one, I think can go up a lot the next few days up here. So I'm right there right now. I'm in this one. Not saying you should go in it, but I have a um, high opinion of this one. But maybe wait for a pullback. I don't think it'll go down, but if it does touch back down to here, 104.30, that'll be another good entry. But if you guys want to get in, you can, but obviously do your own diligence. I think there's still good potential to go up exponentially. But if it breaks this right here, this resistance line. You can also do it yourself as your own resistance support line. Sorry, support line. From here to here. So it breaks that line completely. Expect it to crash or go down a lot. So to see, you can touch again and then go back up, or break the line here and then go down. So I could be losing a lot of money, but I could be also gaining a lot of money on the upside. So we'll see. Right now I'm a little bit down since I averaged down on Thursday on the second candle here. Oh yeah, I was talking about for a day trade. Okay, day trade. I'll do another one. D dog, day trade. Call. I don't see this one doing any moves in pre-market. So if it opens and it goes down a little bit, 105.199. Oh wait, sorry. Call. First profit tick will be. This is a little dangerous actually. Maybe let's just do for the bigger play 105.85. Then you can take profits in this area 106.47. Then the second one will be 106.95. Then if it breaks this right here, 107.04, potential entry, second entry. Then for the put side, I hope it doesn't, but 104.04 for the downside, and then profit take will be under on your own. Right, take profits as you see fit. Fit. All right, guys. So that's all for now. See day trade. I mean, on the daily. This one, I think, has more potential on the downside for Doku. I feel like it already touched. You see, the line essentially, and then went back down. But I feel since it tried it for a second time to go back up, I feel like it's gonna go back down. So this one, if it breaks for sure on this is the macro level. I'm not sure about the. I'm not doing the daily on the smaller time frame. So this one breaks 262.35. I expect it to go down to here, then down to here. I'm not sure if I pointed out the same place spot, but after that, up to down here. But yeah, but I don't know to be honest. So I prefer playing calls for a swing. Yep. All right, guys. That's it. I really suggest you guys to go into my Discord though. Check it out, please. Thank you. Smash that like button, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram. All right. Take care, guys.